In the magical land of Avaria, the sky shimmered with floating islands and dragons soared freely. The Kingdom of Liora was protected by a glowing crystal that gave peace and light to the whole land. One day, the crystal suddenly turned dark. The dragons fell from the sky, the flowers lost their colors, and a fearful silence spread everywhere. A dark sorcerer named Malgorn had stolen its heart, the magical core hidden inside the crystal. Only one with a pure heart can bring the crystal back to life, said the queen. A young girl named Elira, who lived in the village, stepped forward. She was small and shy, but she had a brave heart. With her tiny satchel and a wooden wand, she began her quest. On her journey, she met a talking fox named Rivo, a baby dragon named Fira, a giant made of living trees called Bramble together. They crossed the whispering forest, sailed over the cloud sea, and finally reached Malgorn's shadow castle. Malgorn laughed at them. A little girl and her pets? You cannot defeat me? Elira took a deep breath and whispered a spell she had learned from her grandmother. Heart of light, shine bright. A warm glow burst from her wand. The darkness cracked and shattered. The core of the crystal flew back to its place, and the whole castle burst into shining dust. Light returned to Avaria. The dragons roared in joy as they took to the skies again. The queen placed a silver crown on Elira's head. From now on, you are the guardian of the crystal. Elira smiled, knowing her adventure had only just begun. Morale. True bravery comes from the heart, not strength or power.